We need much less than we think we need. In a comfortable seated position, allow the eyes to close, palms to face upwards, and your breath to become more deep within you. Begin to feel your inhales and exhales entering and exiting through your nose. A softness and calm sense washing over your body. Feel the inflation of every breath that comes, the opening and expansion within you. And explore the experience of every breath that goes, taking with it any tension, any distraction, doubt, or worry. Very slowly, bring your hands to land onto your stomach, fingers spread wide. As you inhale, feel your stomach press your hands away. And as you exhale, gently feel them soften, cradling closer towards you. Connecting deeply here with your breath and body. As you inhale and exhale, landing with gratitude for this breath, for this practice, and for yourself. Very gently releasing your hands from your stomach, fluttering the eyelids open and wiggling yourself a bit more awake. As we start to stretch into the right side body, perhaps you place an object to the left. With an inhale, reaching the right arm high overhead, and as you breathe out, stretching down towards the left side. If it feels comfortable in your neck, allowing your gaze to turn upwards. Beginning to switch sides. Allow yourself to reach up, folding towards the right, perhaps with an object for support underneath the right hand. With an inhale, come to center. Even in your sit bones, breathe in, reach the arms high towards the sky. Exhale, hands to heart center. Move through 4 more as slowly as you can. Engaging in the midsection, drawing the shoulder blades together. Big breath in to take up all this space and opportunity the day has to offer you. Breathing out to acknowledge everything that is here with you and within you. Now, if you're not already seated cross-legged, make your way into that position where we'll start to release into the hips. Crossing your legs as you would naturally, take an inhale to lengthen the spine. As you breathe out, fold towards your top knee, scoop across the other way, and then sit up tall. Inhaling before exhaling to again make that big circle, chest towards thighs. Inhaling to come up once again, 3 more as slowly as your body will allow. Rooted in the sit bones, long in the spine, shoulders melting down the back. Now, if safe to do so in your body, switching the leg that is on top and beginning to find 5 rotations the other way around. Remembering to exhale as you close off, as you lower the chest. A big inhale as you come up tall, taking up the space that is here for you. Coming back to center, we set up for our butterfly pose, soles of feet together, knees bent. Here for approximately 10 breaths, perhaps you have support underneath your knees, or you allow them to rest open without. Option to stay seated up tall, or begin to fold forward, perhaps using support underneath your forehead. We're looking for an opening, stretch, and sensation in the inner and outside of the hips. Allow softness wherever possible, dial down the eyes, and allow your breath to move through you. Honoring the space in our body that holds so much tension, a place that seeks to protect us when things get difficult, starting off your day by acknowledging what can be released here. Taking one more full breath in and out, like a massage from inside the body, releasing into the tightness that may be landing into the hips. With an inhale, coming up to a tall spine, extend the right leg long, left sole of the foot into the right thigh, knee is bent. Breathe in, reach the arms high, turn to face your bent knee. Send your right arm towards your right foot, left arm reaches overhead. A stretch into the left side body, the back side of the right leg, and perhaps into your hips. Every exhale takes you deeper. With your next inhale, transitioning you to the other side. Left leg is long, right knee is bent, turn towards your bent knee, and then fold over towards your long leg. Feel the stretch into your right side, your hips, and the back side of the left leg. An inhale will bring you back to center, where we'll begin to fold forward. You can come like I am here into a wide straddle, or if it feels better in your body today, close the feet together, find staff pose, and fold towards both of your legs. Either way, find softness in the upper body in a way that serves you, using any props for support, but most importantly, focusing on the breath within you to find trust and connection within every muscle and joint, allowing the body to feel safe, supported, and at ease. With an inhale, when you are ready, coming out of this posture to a comfortable seated position where we move through our cats and cows. Inhaling to open the heart, exhaling to tuck in the chin. With every breath in, you push the navel forward, look up. With every breath out, squeezing the shoulder blades ahead, rounding the back behind you. feeling this awakening sensation in every vertebrae, following your breath to move and to acknowledge the back and shoulders. From here, coming to a final seat of comfort, maybe the hips are lifted. Landing hands on top of the heart, closing down the eyes. Allowing your breath to flow through you. Landing here with gratitude for everything we have within our body, our breath, and our mind. Repeating softly to yourself, everything I need is within me. With the corners of your lips turned upwards, release your palms down beside you. Take an inhale to fill up, open the mouth, and deeply and generously sigh it out. 4 more rounds, perhaps of lion breath with the tongue hanging out, or just a nice wide mouth to fully let go. To let go of any fear or doubt. To let go of anything that doesn't serve us, moving into your day with as much gratitude as possible. With a sense of softness in your body and energy in your breath, palms come to touch in front of heart center. Bowing forward, acknowledging the light in your day ahead. Namaste.